Rantoul traffic, Centurion 731 Papa Juliet, taking runway 36 for departure to the southwest, Rantoul. Coming up. Flaps coming up. Trim's coming down. There's 1,000 feet. It's windy. Keep the speed up. I don't need you. Champaign approach, Centurion 731 Papa Juliet up off of Rantoul. VFR, like to proceed to Champaign for some full stop taxi backs.
Centurion 731 Papa Juliet Champaign approach, squawk 0615.
0615, 1 Papa Juliet.
Centurion 1 Papa Juliet, radar contact 20 miles northeast of Champaign. Expect runway 4, Champaign altimeter 3005.
005, and we'll expect 4, 1 Papa Juliet.
Centurion 1 Papa Juliet, current Champaign winds 030 at 18 gust 25. Current altitude indicates 3,100.
Got y'all level off at 3,000 here, 1 Papa Juliet.
1.8. Centurion 1 Papa Juliet, you'll just be remaining in the pattern doing full stop taxi backs. Contact you guys.
Affirmative, I'd like to do 2 full stop taxi backs there. And a VOR check on the ground if I can remember, and I'll head back to Rantoul.
Centurion 1 Papa Juliet, radar. 1.8. Intersection departures available upon request. Advise on initial contact, you have Sierra.
And approach 1 Papa Juliet, we picked up Sierra.
1 Papa Juliet, roger, contact tower 120.4.
We're to tower 1 Papa Juliet. Champaign Tower, Centurion 731 Papa Juliet, expecting runway 4.
Centurion 731 Papa Juliet, Champaign Tower, enter left downwind, runway 4.
Left downwind, runway 4, 1 Papa Juliet. My runway is going to be 4. My left downwind, 4 plus 9 is 13, is going to be like that. Everybody okay here? All right, 3,000 feet, we got 2,000 feet to lose. 500 feet per minute. Means I need like 4 minutes to do that. We're going to do gas undercarriage mixture prop. This could be out, that's fine. We're hand flying, we're going to be expecting some gusty wind. Keep it pretty fast here. Wind's going to push me out pretty wickedly. I'm doing 153. Undercarriage.
Centurion 731 Papa Juliet, runway 4, clear to land. Wind 030 at 18, gust 26.
Clear to land, runway 4, 1 Papa Juliet. Roll back to 2-1. Landing gear is good. Gas undercarriage mixture prop. It's windy. Alright, then we're going to level off here. Make the turn. Knots looks good. The reasonable width. We're going to get booked out here. So there's our touchdown runway. It looks appropriate. Probably pushing me out a little bit. AOR check on the ground, remember that. Alright, beam the touchdown. Start the turn. VFR, turn. Let's get... It's gonna push us out like crazy. Stay coordinated, gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop. Coming around. Looking high. Don't forget though, we're gonna get blown like crazy out here. Keep the VFR turn coming in. Stay coordinated. Now we want 90 knots, but we're shooting a bit. Tower 1 Papa Juliet, you got me?
Centurion 731 Papa Juliet, affirmative. Turn right on taxiway Charlie. Runway 4, taxi via Charlie Bravo. Cross runways 32 right and 32 left on Bravo.
Alright, Charlie, then, I'm sorry, back to runway 4 on Charlie and Bravo. Cross 32 right and 32 left on Bravo.
Centurion 731 Papa Juliet, just want to confirm that you want a few passes in the tower pattern.
Affirmative, I'd like to taxi back for takeoff on 4 and do one more full stop taxi back and then depart to Rantoul.
Roger. Centurion 731 Papa Juliet in the pattern, squawk 1200.
Squawking VFR 1 Papa Juliet. Oil pressure still green. Flaps 10 degrees. Rudder trim R, mixture full rich.
Centurion 731 Papa Juliet, advise when ready to go.
Just finished my checks, ready to go. Run, holding short of 4, 1 Papa Juliet.
Centurion 731 Papa Juliet, make left close traffic, runway 4, clear for takeoff.
Left traffic, runway 4, clear for takeoff, 1 Papa Juliet. Enough for me, man. All right, green, 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 let's go.
Centurion 731 Papa Juliet, runway 4, clear to land. Wind 040 at 20, that's 27.
Runway 4, clear to land, thanks, 1 Papa Juliet. A little low. Not bad, not bad. A little far out. Keep coming down. Finals clear. Gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop. Gears down.
Centurion 731 Papa Juliet, can you make the right turn on runway 14 left?
That's right here, yeah, I think I can make it, 1 Papa Juliet.
Centurion 1 Papa Juliet, roger, turn right on runway 14 left, then runway 4 taxi via runway 14 left, Bravo, and cross runway 14 right on, Bravo.
Okay, I'm off here at 14 right. I'll take Bravo. And, I'm sorry, I'm off on 14 left. I'll take Bravo, cross 14 right to runway 4.
Centurion 1 Papa Juliet, roger, you can just make the next right turn on taxiway Bravo, and that'll take you down to runway 4.
Alright, I'll do my runway checks here, and then I'll head down there, 1 Papa Juliet. And tower, this time I'll be heading back to Rantoul, 1 Papa Juliet.
Centurion 731 Papa Juliet, roger, on departure, maintain VFR at or below 3000. Departure frequency will be 121.35, squawk 0616.
Alright, at or below 3000, VFR 12135, 0616, 1 Papa Juliet.
Centurion 1 Papa Juliet, revac is correct, wind 040 at 21, gust 30, altimeter 3004.
Thanks a lot, 3004, 1 Papa Juliet.
Centurion 731 Papa Juliet, Champaign Tower, turn right on course, or correction, left on course, direct Rantoul Airport. Runway 4, clear for takeoff, wind 040 at 18, gust 30.
Runway 4, cleared for takeoff, and then on course to Rantoul, 1 Papa Juliet. Gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop in the pattern, people.
Centurion 1 Papa Juliet, contact departure.
Departure, 1 Papa Juliet, thanks for your help tonight. Champaign departure, Centurion 731 Papa Juliet, 1,300 feet, climbing 3,000 direct Rantoul VFR.
Centurion 731 Papa Juliet, Champaign departure, radar contact, altitude, your discretion.
My discretion, altitude, 1 Papa Juliet. Settle down, man. And Champaign approach, Centurion 731 Papa Juliet. Rantoul's in sight. I'd like to cancel with you and switch them.
1 Papa Juliet, Roger. No observed traffic between you and the Rantoul Airport. Radar services are terminated. Frequency change approved. Have a good night.
Radar service terminated. Frequency change approved. Good night. Thanks, 1 Papa Juliet. Rantoul traffic, Centurion 731 Papa Juliet, 6 miles south of the field, inbound for landing runway 36, Rantoul. Gas, undercarriage, mixture prop. Rantoul traffic, Centurion 2 mile final for 36, Rantoul. Rantoul traffic, Centurion, back taxi on 18 to the ramp, Rantoul.